Whatever you do, don't miss the Jordan 1 Lost and Found restock. Sneakers app confirmed that next week the Jordan 1 Lost and Found is gonna be restocking. So if you didn't hit for retail, honestly stay tuned because we're gonna talk about what's possibly gonna happen with the restock, when it might possibly be, all those things coming up. If you guys do end up enjoying this video, leave a like on it down below, subscribe to the channel, and let me know if this is a sneaker that you've been waiting on to buy with the restock, or did you bite the bullet and pay resale for it? Let me know in the comments. So my clothing brand NORI is coming soon. If you guys are trying to support, all you got to do is scan the QR code and put your email in. I am going to give you guys 10% off and early access on the drop, so make sure you sign up. The Jordan 1 Chicago Reimagined honestly switched the sneaker game a little bit. This sneaker right here is one that everybody was going crazy for when they released. The sneakers app honestly crashed. It turned to shit. Like, a lot of people weren't even able to enter in the draw. So needless to say, this restock has been underway for ever so long. A lot of people have been predicting that it was gonna drop when the Air movie dropped, in March Madness, in February, in January. Everybody was saying these were coming. Honestly, I expected a restock to happen for these. I honestly thought it would be sooner than this, but I guess it's better late than never. This is a sneaker that I feel like a lot of people wanted in their collection. Some people were salty that they didn't hit, aka myself. And if you didn't end up paying resale, this is your perfect opportunity to get them for retail. I honestly recommend you guys to turn on your notifications. I might be going live a couple days next week just to see if they end up dropping. I have a feeling that they might drop on Monday, but I don't know. I honestly don't have any information on it. I just have the inkling that it might be Monday because there isn't any releases set to drop on Monday. So hey, that might be a little hint right there, but we really don't know. I'm honestly just gonna stay on Discord and see what people talking about, see when they drop. I feel like this is gonna be a first come first serve shock drop type situation. Honestly, if they do an early access, that would kind of suck because not a lot of people end up hitting on those. I feel like shock drop is the best when it comes to a sneaker like this on a restock. At least in my opinion, I do feel like bots are gonna go crazy on these just like they did on the initial release, but hopefully some people end up sleeping and those who actually want these for retail are able to hit. I feel like this is a must in anybody's sneaker collection, being that it's the Chicago. We already went over this so many times. Those reimagined vibes on these go crazy, and if you're like me, you never had a Chicago Jordan 1 growing up, so this being the first iteration of it that you have in the collection or want in the collection definitely adds a lot more to the release. I feel like there should be like 40 to 50k pairs in this restock. I honestly don't have any solid numbers, but that's just me basing off how many pairs there initially was, how many orders were canceled by people using bots, how many people weren't able to get in. There definitely has to be a surplus amount of pairs at Nike's warehouse, especially since they're announcing that there's gonna be a restock, because if it would have been a small amount, they honestly would have just dropped them on a Tuesday, boom, whoever got them got them. The fact that they're announcing this shit honestly tells me they got a pretty good amount of stock. That does not mean sleep or think everything is cozy and peaches, bro. Like, if you really want this sneaker, you're gonna have to be on the sneakers app all week next week type shit. I feel like they're gonna do it on a Jordan Reserve type of vibe. That's just what I'm getting from this, and I do wish you guys the best of luck on this release or restock, I guess. This Jordan 1 Reimagined is honestly paving the way for more sneakers like this Jordan 3, which became one of my grails in my collection. I honestly love these. I feel like it's complete when you have both of them, so I really hope you guys end up hitting on this shock drop. Put your post notifications on. I'm gonna try to go live next week just to make sure that we can all hit on these. Never hit for retail. My girl ended up gifting me this pair. We still need a double up. This is a pair where I honestly recommend, if you have them in your collection and you plan to wear them, double up, bro. Like, you don't want to have this shit beat down the line because it's a sneaker that you always want to have a fresh pair of. This one is the exception. I don't have any doubles in my collection, and if I could have one, it'll be the Lost and Found Jordan 1. Paved the way for this whole reimagined vibe that we've been getting. We got the ones, we got the twos with Virgil, kind of did the Chicago twos in a way. We got the reimagined threes recently, and there's leaks going around that we're gonna get a reimagined 4. I don't know how I'm feeling about those. You guys will see my full opinion in an upcoming video, which if you guys are interested, subscribe to the channel. More than 65% of you guys aren't subscribed to the channel, which honestly breaks my heart, bro. We put time and effort into this content, and all you have to do is subscribe. It's free. If you're enjoying the content, might as well do it anyway. It means so much. We honestly don't know how the drop is gonna be, when the drop drop is gonna be. None of that, bro. All we know is that Nike put this poll up basically asking if there were to be a restock on these, would you tell people or would you keep it on the hush? You feel me? Honestly, I missed it. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I haven't been on the sneakers app as much as I have in the past, but a lot of people actually hit me up about this restock, so I decided to make a full video on it. If Nike decides to choose people who voted on this shit right here, I'm honestly fucked. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. If that's not the case, then we're in the building. I'm definitely gonna stay on the app all week next week. That's honestly your best luck. And if you did purchase these already, I would recommend you to have a second account or maybe 2 to 3 accounts that you haven't purchased them on, because sometimes when you end up hitting on a sneaker like this and they drop a restock, it'll literally say purchased on it and it won't even let you go for the sneakers. So like I said before, you definitely want to double up on this one. So make sure you have an account or 2 on the side in case shit hits the fan with your main account. That's honestly what I'm gonna do. I didn't hit either way, you feel me? So I should be straight. I'm gonna use 2 to 3 accounts for this. The more accounts, the merrier. The last thing I want to mention is the fact that resale on these shits is not gonna go down, bro. It doesn't matter how many pairs they drop. Resale will not go below 400. It will not drop $20 to $30. That's my guess. I feel like way too many people want this sneaker. Even myself, bro. If I buy them, I'm not gonna sell my second pair. I'm keeping them shits, you feel me, in the vault until I need a second pair. A lot of people are having that same mentality when it comes to these. People never even got their first pair. I feel like if anything, this restock is gonna bring more awareness to this sneaker. It's gonna make more people want them, and it's gonna resurface that situation of like, damn, bro, I wasn't able to get them the first time. They might really never drop again after this restock. It might make those people be like, bro, let me just fuck around and bite the bullet, which at the end of the day is gonna raise the resale even higher at that point. That's pretty much what's going on. There's actually another poll that went up talking about the Jordan 4 Thunders, but I might leave that for the next video, bro. Stick around, subscribe to the channel. We're gonna talk about the possibility that the Thunders might be having a shock drop soon as well. Subscribe to the channel if you want to watch that. Click the post notification bells because I might be going live next week for the restock on these. And leave a like on this video so we can spread it to more people. If you know somebody that might want this pair, share this video with them, you feel me? It definitely goes a long way. But that's my full opinion on the Jordan 1 Chicago Lost and Found restock coming next week. And shit, bro, best of luck to you guys. I honestly hope that if I don't hit, you guys hit, because at the end of the day, we all win, you feel me? That's all we're here for. I love y'all, bro. If y'all are enjoying the channel and what we've been doing lately, please go ahead and subscribe down below. It definitely means more than you would imagine. Y'all could literally help me break into the YouTube algorithm by leaving a like and subscribing to the channel, bro. We can be the biggest community on YouTube together, literally. And if y'all are trying to support my brand, all you gotta do is click this QR code right here and it'll direct you to my website where you can sign up for 10% off and early access on my drop. I am gonna do a full video real soon. If y'all saw my live recently, I actually showed y'all 3 pieces that I'm gonna be dropping, but I feel like they deserve their own little faux pas on my channel, whatever the f that means. That pretty much does it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, y'all already know what to do. I hope y'all have a great rest of your day. Make sure you chase your dreams, stay focused. Whatever you want to get done in life, do not stop until that shit is completed. I literally just got home from work, haven't even showered, and I'm filming, you feel me? At the end of the day, it's about what you prioritize in your life. Your habits definitely create your reality in a way. And if you want to watch another video where I picked up one of my grails, y'all go watch this video right here for a crazy steal, and I explained how I did it in this video. Go check this out if you want to watch me cop one of my grails for a fraction of the price. But with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.